Hey fam, so in today's video, we're going to be doing a hair review by, I think it's pronounced Allove hair. Don't quote me on that. Anyway, this is how I received the unit in this nice purple box that you could use to restore your hair in. It also came with a little neon t-shirt as a gift, and I'll show you what it says here in just a second. So here's what it says. It's really cute. All you need is love and good hair, please. And then their name on the back in like a search bar. Really, really cute. All right, so here's the actual unit. I went with the blonde unit for a reason, which I will talk about in the next clip probably. It also came with this netted wig cap, which I won't be using. Let me show you what the hair looks like. So it's in this plastic bag here within a net. So it came packaged really well. Had no smell. It's 24 inches in length, which is what I picked out. And just here is what it looks like. So on the inside, the unit is constructed with 2 temple combs, a top comb, and then one in the back, which I will be taking out, and adjustable straps to fit pretty much any size head. I'm not sure why they put this lace over the lace, but that part right here, I will be cutting that off. I don't need it. So I'm going to be cutting that part off, but here is what the hair looks like straight out of the box, and I'll just be flat ironing it, which you'll see in the next clip. Okay, so in this clip, I had actually already tweezed it, and I was just pretty much showing you the tweezers, and you can see there that it's been opened up already. I don't know why I thought it was recording, but it wasn't, so I'm just pretty much showing you that I tweezed the part, opened it up a little bit. I'm just going to give it a little bit of a brush so that I can flat iron the hair, but first I want to flatten out the perimeter of the hair and make it look a little bit flatter. I also put some Got To Be glue spray on the part that I'm actually laying the flat hot iron on to just flatten it out and lay down the flyaways. So that's pretty much all I'm doing here, is just making it look flat and not wiggy. Okay, so here I'm just showing you what the unit looks like actually on my head after I flat ironed it, the part that I tweezed out because I need a little bit of a part. And this is how long the hair lays. It's not super, super thick, more of a realistic type of density, I would say. But I'm going to show you a temporary fix that I'm going to do to just kind of give you an idea of what the hair would look like with the roots darker. So I'm just reaching for some makeup, which is very temporary. I'm going to wash it out and coloring this hair an actual color. So that's all I'm showing you here. This is just temporary, sis. So don't be thinking I'm leaving out the crib with my hair with some makeup all on it. Well, I mean, I might, but I'm just giving you an idea in this video clip right here. And I'm just going to make it dark and build it up as I go. Again, I like this look better than the actual all blonde scalp, all of that look. so this is the end of the video. I wanted to mention that I think in the clip where I was showing you where I was flat ironing this hair, the ring light itself that I have on right now made this hair look more synthetic and really, really shiny. It really is not, doesn't have any luster like it came off on camera. So I just wanted to make sure I mentioned that in this video. It doesn't have a high luster, it doesn't have that Barbie plasticky look that was coming off on camera. So this again is just give you an idea of what it would look like if you actually colored just the roots of the hair. Now again, I'm going to be coloring this hair a totally different color, so this is just temporary. I can wash it out, you know, no problems there. But I just wanted to give you an idea and show you what it would look like, and it looks a lot more realistic, I think, when the roots are closer to a more of a natural color than just like blonde or whatever. But if you like the blonde, of course, you would just wear it the way it was. But I like a more defined part, even if it's just like barely, like this one. And I like the color of this. I like this look on the blonde side of things than I do when it's just all the way blonde. But again, this was just temporary, just to show you or give you an idea. This hair will be another color in the next video that I show this hair, so be on the lookout for that. If you think you know what color I'm going to be coloring the hair, leave me a comment down below and let me know. That being said, I must go, honey. I think I'm going to wear this for the remainder of the day. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Do not forget, check down below to see if there's any codes or any sales going on. Check out the site, see what other types of hair they have. If blonde is not your thing, honey, and you're not about blondes have more fun, always check down in the description bar down below for whatever information I have related to the company. And that being said, I will catch you in the next video. Bye.